MICAI is the acronym for Mexican International Conference on Artificial Intelligence. It was given birth back in 2000, right with the beginning of the millennium. And it is a result of a combination of two major events of the Mexican scientific community in computing. One of these events was the International Symposium on Artificial Intelligence, which was organized by the Tecnológico de Monterrey, and the other was the Artificial Intelligence Meeting, organized by the Mexican Society for Artificial Intelligence. The benefits of MICAI are severalfold. I would like just to mention the fact that it has been a meeting point for senior and junior researchers, not only from Mexico, but also from Latin America. One of the main benefits of MICAI is that right from its creation, the proceedings of this conference was published by a very important editorial office, namely Springer, on the series lecture notes in lecture notes in artificial intelligence. Mm-hmm. And lastly, one of the main third benefits is that it has attracted the international community into a Mexican scientific event, bringing quite a number of people for attending this conference. Okay, well, then I was president of the Mexican Society for Artificial Intelligence from 2010 to 2012. I had the pleasure to be a conference chair of MICAI 2011 and MICAI 2012. One was held in Puebla and the other was held in San Luis Potosí. I guess the greatest memories I have from these two events are the speakers. If I remember correctly, we had Max Yon and Ian Witten in San Luis Potosí, and in Puebla we had Raúl Rojas and Janus Capricis in Puebla. And in both events we have a major gathering. We had quite a good attendance, especially from local universities and other kinds of institutions, and a pretty good support from the local organizing community. Especially in Puebla, we were possibly one of the first scientific events that was held in pretty good facilities that were recently built by Benemérita Universidad Autónoma de Puebla. And in San Luis Potosí, we had a very good welcome and fascinating support from the National Polytechnic University at San Luis Potosí. Nowadays, we have more participation of the society in general for the practicing and the development of artificial intelligence. Not only students and researchers from higher education institutes or research centers are doing AI nowadays. We have now more participation from industry, and this is thanks to the number of toolboxes and applications that are readily usable in order to solve real problems or industrial strength problems using artificial intelligence. This has impacted society and also has allowed a steady growing in the number of people doing AI. Put in other words, in the population, the size of the population of people doing AI nowadays. Okay. Well, as I said already, there is already a number of toolboxes and applications that enable people to do AI, rapid AI, if you wish. And that means that the number of people doing AI or applying AI to solve industrial strength problems is going to grow at a steady pace, and possibly it might surprise some people. Now, we have to acknowledge that the kind of AI that is being done just now and the kind of AI that is going to be done in the near future is not Hollywood AI. It is AI that has a very tremendous impact and solves very complex problems, but nothing to do with Terminator or the like. So I expect that we will get to witness a growing number of applications in which there is some form of application of an AI technique. Just now, there are lots of people using not ordinary statistics or any other kind of applied maths techniques, but also they're using some technique which is also related to applied maths, but that stems from the artificial intelligence community. Natural language processing is being used, for example, in chatbots and different kinds of assistants and so on and so forth. And I believe that we were going to witness a growing number of applications solving quite a number of real industrial strength applications. However, not the kind of Hollywood-like AI that most people would like to get to see. For example, real robots doing very, interesting or nasty things. So guys, I would like to invite you to join us at MICAI this year. It's going to be virtual as many other conferences all over the world. And it is going to take place from 12 to 16 October 2020.